Hello guys, today I would love to show you this motif that's very beautiful. You could see already on the pictures. So it's super easy to make. I promise even the beginners can make it because it's just a granny square with some small squares. So you can see that it's nothing difficult. You don't need to make yarn color change, but you can change if you want to. This one is just a square that you can make as big or small as you want with any yarn. So I have here with cotton that I'm going to use for the bag, and I will make many, like 12 of these squares, and I will join them together to make a one bag. So you can see here as well that it's just this little square that will shift all the way because we will skip the stitches. I will show you everything, how to start each row, how to finish it, and you will see that it's super beautiful, super easy to make. You can make cardigans, tunics, whatever you are using, granny squares, even the blankets. It's very easy. So let's get started. So we are going to start with the magic ring. Grab your yarn, put the short tail on your 2 fingers, wrap, make an X, grab the second yarn, twist, yarn over, pull through the yarn, through the loop on your hook. So this is the magic ring. Now you are going to chain 3. You already have 2 and now 3. Yarn over, and we make 1 double crochet into the ring. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We have chain 3 and 1 double crochet, and now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Then you are going to make another 2 double crochet into the ring. So yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, 1 double crochet and the next one, 1 and 2. So 2 double crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochet. Now we continue with chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and another 2 double crochet into the magic ring, 1 and 2. In total we must have like 2, 4, 6, 8, so 2 more double crochet. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and the last set of 2 double crochet into the magic ring, 1 and 2. Now just take the short tail and pull to close the hole, and we are going to join the first row. So now it looks like a square. You're going to chain 1, yarn over, find the top of chain 3, 1, 2, 3 here. So grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all 3. And our first row is done. So you can see the square started. Now we are going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, yarn over, and into this space we are going to make another double crochet. So we have 2 double crochet here, and here we make 1 double crochet and another one. Pull the yarn. So here just make 1 double crochet here 1 double crochet. And here there is the chain space. Make 1 double crochet, another one, and now we are making the corner. So we are making chain 2 and into the same chain space we are going to make another 2 double crochet. So in the chain 3 space of previous row we put 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and our first corner is done. Now we are going to make double crochet where we had double crochet, so we have 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2, and we arrive to the next chain 3 space and we make the same 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. So 1, 2, chain 3, oh sorry, chain 2, 1, 2, and then 2 double crochet. So we will always make the corner same way, 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet. And now we have our second corner done. So the next one is here we make 2 double crochet, so here is another chain 3 space. You can make corner by yourself, 2 double crochet, 2 chain 2, 2 double crochet. So I have also finished here the 2 double crochet. Here we have the beginning of our row. We already put 2 double crochet, so we must put another 2 double crochet, 1 and 2, and we join as we did in the previous row, chain 1, yarn over, count 1, 2, 3, and join in top of chain 3. So yarn over, pull through all 3, and our second row is done. So you see we are making the corners and we have the square. So now we are going to make these holes, and it means we must keep some stitches. So let's start. Make chain 3, 1, 2, 3, 2 double crochet. So now we have 2 double crochet, and now we are going to chain 2 and skip this 2 double crochet. So 1 and 2, you skip, yarn over, and insert your hook into the third one. 1, and then we are going to continue until this corner, so you make the corner as usual. So here we don't skip anything anymore. 2, 3, 4. I normally never count, but for the video I try to count. And now you are going to make a corner. 1, 2, chain 2, 2 double crochet. Sorry for my son's noise. So we make 2 double crochet, and now after you make the corner, you must start with chain 2, skip the 2 double crochet, 1, 2, yarn over, and you have these kind of squares, small squares. So now you can continue by yourself. Make all the double crochet where you have the double crochet, make a corner, and then skip 2 stitches, create this square, and then we will finish the row and I show you how to start the next row. So this is how beautiful it's square after the 3rd row, and you can see that you have the small squares here, so it will have many holes, this square, and it looks really beautiful. So we are going to start our 4th row, and we are going to start it the same way. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and make another double crochet. So chain 3 counts as a double crochet, so you have 2. Now here you had 2 double crochet, you make 2 double crochet. On top of each one you make 1, 1, 2, and where we had the square you're going to make 2 double crochets, so 1 and another one into the same chain 2 space, and then we are going to make another chain 2 and skip 2 stitches, so 1, 2, and skip 2 stitches, 1, 2, and insert into the 3rd one. So as if the square is shifted to the next position, so 1, 2, and all the rest is the same. You are going to make a double crochet where you see the double crochet, so 2, 3, 4. Then you are going to make the corner again. I think you already understood. It's super easy. 2 double crochet, chain 2, 2 double crochet, and then just make 2 double crochet before the chain 2 space of previous row. Now here you have a hole, you make another 2 double crochet, so chain 2 and make, skip 2 stitches and make double crochet. So I think you understood the idea. You will always make 2 double crochet here in the hole in the next row, and then skip 2 stitches and you will make another square like this. And that's the whole pattern of this motif. I think it's super easy, but it looks very cool. Especially I love it for summer patterns. So continue, and you can make it as big or small as you want. Continue with the holes And I have here, I use the cotton, so I always just skip, and I have this beautiful pattern that I'm going to use for the bag. It's super easy. You must make 12 of these squares, and in the next video I will show you how to join them into the bag. So this square is approximately 7 to 7 centimeters. Oh, sorry, not 7, 13, and it's good for the bag. So you can make 12 of these and wait for my next video where I show you how to join and make the beautiful bag. You can use this square for anything you want. I think it's very beautiful. You can make many different, anything that you use Granny Square, you can use this pattern. Super easy. It's not like very common one. It will look very different, but it's still very beautiful. So guys, that's how my square looks after few rows. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I hope it was easy for you to follow me, but sometimes I really don't know if it's easy or hard, so you can always ask in the comments. I will try to help you out. Normally I ask you to send some pictures on Instagram, so for me it's easy to understand where you are stuck. And I'm sorry if sometimes I reply lately. I haven't published videos since a while, so I'm getting back on track. I'm trying not to forget the information that I must put in the video. So this one was a sample. You could use any hook, any matching yarn for the hook. So this is just how to make this square, and you can use acrylic, cotton, whatever yarn, depends on the project you are making. Thanks for watching. Follow me on all the social media like Instagram, Facebook. You can always ask questions, and see you again next time.